Ever found your sex life with a partner hitting a roadblock? It's surprisingly common. Often, we pull back after something goes wrong. Maybe a heated argument, a moment of awkwardness, or even sexual difficulties. The real problem? Those past failures breed fear, making us hesitant to try again. We start avoiding the whole subject, and suddenly the lack of physical connection erodes trust and intimacy. Before you know it, the relationship is in serious trouble. But there's a powerful way to break this cycle. It's called sensate focus, a technique developed by the renowned sex researchers Masters and Johnson in the 1980s. Here's how it works. Stage 1. You must completely stop all attempts at intercourse. The core idea is that fear is the ultimate barrier to good sex. By removing any pressure or expectations, you can effectively hit the reset button, bringing sexual intimacy back to its simplest, most basic form. Stage 2. Imagine one night you focus purely on kissing. Just kissing. Be as passionate as you wish, letting desire build, but that's it. Press close, feel each other, yet no nakedness allowed. It's like those thrilling, forbidden makeout sessions from your youth. That playful restriction, surprisingly, makes it intensely erotic. Then, on another evening, you gently advance, beyond just kissing. It's like a second first date. You can explore each other's bodies with your hands, but no touching genitals or breasts. Not yet. By the next time, you'll likely feel a powerful surge of excitement. This stage allows heavy petting, making out with abandon. And yes, you can bring each other to climax, but still, no full penetration. Finally, in the fifth step of this sensate method, penetration is allowed. But here's the crucial part. Echoing those early, tentative encounters, it's only for a moment, with zero pressure or expectation of orgasm. It's about connection, not performance. After a few more evenings of this, you'll hopefully progress to full intimacy, what we call stage 6, and your connection should feel natural again. But here's a crucial tip. If any difficulties pop up, simply revert to an earlier stage. Remember, the very fact that intimacy can become challenging in relationships often highlights how deeply we care for each other. The real secret: don't let rigid expectations sabotage your experience. It's incredibly common in this part of life and many others to feel like you're the only one struggling, when in reality, your worries are shared by countless others, though rarely spoken aloud. This is precisely why art exists, to reveal our universal human experiences, making us feel less alone and less freakish in our journey.